There we go, I'm about 3/4 of an hour in, and I've got I thought it was a cut half, but it's a folded over hammered coin. Could be a John maybe, or a Henry the Third, possibly. Who knows? We'll get that straightened out. I'm going to try it myself now, but I'm sure that's possible. This is unusual. I don't know if it's part of some sort of strap end, like a round piece of leather or something like that, but it's got decoration in and around that. It's quite delicate. It's got two little clamps there that would have clamped onto something.